welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do an easy galaxy nail design. Firstly, going in with one coat black and letting that dry, and then taking a rough sponge and dabbing some white, pink, purple, and blue. And after that's dry, we go in with a small detail brush and a dotting tool, kind of as the center for each of these little like stars. And once I'm done with that, I go in and add some little tiny dots with my brush just to kind of fill in the space and add more little detail stars. And that is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if there's anything else that you'd like to see, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day.